The easiest way to handle a project with multiple sheets is having a project file that lists those sheets. The project file is always called project.lht, and the name of the project is the name of the directory it is placed in. Open the project by opening project.lht. This will load all sheets listed in project.lht. Our example project is called rec and has 3 files. The project could be exported sheet by sheet, but for multi-sheet projects it's easier to export the whole project at once. The project export dialog is very similar to the sheet export dialog. The default file name is derived from the project's name. All sheets are packed into a single file if the file format supports multiple pages. For example, we got a single rec.ps with 3 pages. But as the PNG format does not have pages, we got 1 file per page, with the page number inserted in the file name. The order of sheets in the export is the order of appearance of the sheet files in the project file. It is possible to export the whole project from the command line as well, using the -x argument. The process is very similar to exporting a single sheet, except project.lht is named instead of the sheet. The same rules apply to multi-page files and page-numbered files as with the GUI export. The same way as with single sheet export, the output file name can be changed with an export plugin specific argument that is listed in the help for the given export plugin. It is also possible to export a project without using a project file when using the command line. Just list all sheet files to export. Sheets will be exported in the order they appear on the command line. In this example, a partial export is requested with page 3 and page 1 only.